Charlie Munger once said, "My system in life is to figure out what's really stupid and then avoid it. It doesn't make me popular, but it prevents a lot of trouble." It can be easy to get caught up in what rich people do and how to make a lot of money. In the end, it's better to figure out what doesn't work and do something else. Here are 10 things that most rich people never do, but poor people do all the time. Please like the video and subscribe for more great content like this. Let's begin. Number 1, they don't care what people think. Successful business owners often appear unaffected by negative comments online. They're used to it now. Winners don't let haters slow them down. People might tell them no or not believe in them, but they don't stop trying. They have confidence in themselves and their ideas, making negative comments don't matter as much. They're also smart about learning from criticism. They don't just ignore it, they use it to improve. Number 2, they do not have a quick fix mentality. Last year alone, Americans spent a whopping ton of money on lottery tickets, over $100 billion. This shows how many people are looking for ways to get rich quick. However, the wealthy understand that genuine solutions aren't found in quick fixes. Even if you win the lottery, if you don't know how to handle money, it could leave you broke again. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest guys ever, took a long time to get there. He made almost all his money after he was 50, showing that success usually doesn't happen overnight. Adopting a quick fix mindset stops you from putting in the hard work you really need. Rich people know there are no shortcuts to success. Number 3, they don't neglect their savings. Did you know that half of all Americans have less than $1,000 in their savings accounts? That's a lot of people, and another 22% don't have any savings at all. That's kind of scary to think about. On the other hand, people who are rich or on their way to being rich usually have a lot of money saved up. Saving money is a must for a few big reasons. Firstly, it provides a safety net for unforeseen circumstances, a financial cushion for rainy days. Secondly, it positions you to seize opportunities. In the 2008 crash, some people were able to buy houses and stocks for much cheaper because prices dropped so much. But that's because they already had money saved up. Thirdly, saving money contributes to peace of mind. Financial strain is a significant source of stress for many, but having savings helps you relax. It gives you a safety net and makes you feel more secure overall. Number 4, they do not believe success is out of their reach. The biggest problem for most people who want to be successful is that they never even try. Ask anyone if they want to be a millionaire, and they'll probably say, sure, who wouldn't? However, if you were to ask them, do you believe you will become a millionaire? The responses may vary. Some people might say, maybe, not sure if they can really do it, while others might just say, no way right off the bat. A lot of people think rich folks just got lucky and never had to work hard. They figure they can't be successful because they weren't lucky. But people who are successful know that luck isn't everything. They truly believe they can achieve their goals. The thing is, if you don't believe you can be successful, you're probably not even going to try. Believing in yourself is the first step to actually doing it. Number 5, they do not panic in tough situations. Back in 1990, Donald Trump faced a huge money problem. His worth dropped to negative $900 million. Even though he was almost bankrupt, Trump didn't freak out. Instead, he stayed calm and talked to the people he owed money to, and in the end, he saved his financial situation. Instead of declaring himself broke, Trump carefully changed how his businesses worked, saving himself from going broke and starting to make money again. This story shows an important difference. When things get tough, rich people usually stay calm and strong, which helps them deal with problems better than people with less money who might panic. Number 6, they don't think they know everything. Wealthy individuals demonstrate a remarkable willingness to prioritize growth over preserving their egos and pride. They recognize that continuous learning requires humility and the ability to acknowledge their own limitations. This understanding is fundamental to their success because it allows them to constantly evolve and adapt in a rapidly changing world. In contrast, many individuals find themselves trapped in a cycle of stagnation, unable to progress due to their reluctance to admit ignorance or embrace new perspectives. Number 7. They don't sacrifice short-term gains or pleasure for long-term success. A lot of people trip up on their way to success because they want things right now, instead of working hard for something bigger that takes longer. Yet, I firmly stand by the notion of finding equilibrium. It's important to enjoy life, but I don't think it's worth making yourself miserable all the time just to maybe have more money someday. In the end, being really successful isn't just about getting a lot of money if it makes you unhappy. Working towards your money goals while also having fun makes reaching them feel even better. Number 8. It's not personal, it's just business. Imagine spending a whole year working on an amazing product, but when you finally release it, nobody seems interested. No sales, no buzz at all. For many, this would be a personal blow, an affront to their self-worth. However, successful people understand that in business, such outcomes are simply part of the game. They recognize that market demand dictates success, and personal feelings must be set aside. Here's where the rule is reversed. In business, wealthy individuals do indeed value your opinions and preferences. Number 9, they do not let failure stop them. Lots of people give up after just one mistake, but rich people don't quit so easily. They figure out what went wrong, fix it, and keep going. It sounds simple, but many people struggle with this. That's because we're not robots. We have feelings that can get in the way. Failing stinks, but learning from it and getting back up makes the difference between a successful life and one full of what-ifs. And number 10, they are not selfish. This might sound surprising since most people think rich folks are greedy. This idea is usually true, but there can be some exceptions. Consider some of your favorite entrepreneurs. They often have missions larger than themselves. Take Tony Robbins, for instance. He's committed to donating all proceeds from his book, Money Master the Game, to combat world hunger. Similarly, Bill Gates has pledged to donate half of his wealth during his lifetime to improve global health initiatives. Some people work hard to make money so they can take care of their loved ones and give their kids or parents a better life. It's rare to find individuals who strive for wealth purely for its own sake. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.